Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I have uploaded a video, and that's because I have my examinations going on and I'm also a little sick, as you can probably tell by my voice. But in this video I will be reviewing the newly launched L'Oreal Paris Excellence fashion highlights. I recently saw this on Nika and I knew I had to get it because I have always wanted highlights in my hair. And I've also cut my hair, by the way, in case you still haven't noticed. I used to have this really long hair. Now I have layers in my hair, something that I had previously. So I cut my hair and I thought this would be the perfect time to try out something like this. So if you want to know my thoughts on this, then as always, keep on watching. So this is the new L'Oreal Fashion Highlights Kit. It's part of the Excellence range, as you can see. Now this is not the kind of hair color that you can put all throughout your hair. I mean, you can if you want, but they are marketing this as a highlighting kit, and highlights are basically those streaky colors in your hair that is supposed to make it look trendy. Of course, they look nice, they add dimension. The whole balayage trend is so on point right now. If you want a reference of highlights, I can give you the reference of late 90s to early 2000s. You know, when people had those really blonde streaky highlights, the hair, the vertical blonde highlights, they were shiz, and I completely mean it in a sarcastic manner. Please don't take me seriously. Moving on, this one retails for 350 rupees and they have two shades. They have caramel brown, which is the one that I have, and the other one is called honey blonde. Now over here it says that this is meant for natural dark hair, so I'm assuming honey blonde must be for people who have lighter hair or hair that is already colored, and this is meant for people with dark hair, something that I have. Now inside you get an expert brush which looks like this. I'm going to show you in a while. You get, of course, the color developer and the cream, and you get the conditioner. I'm going to show you guys what's inside. And so this is the brush. This is what it looks like. It's definitely a very unique looking brush. I haven't seen a brush like this before. And then of course you have the color, the developer, and the conditioner. Now I have actually tried this already. I'm going to insert the demonstration clip right now where I'll show you guys how I apply this, and then we'll come back and talk about the results. So I have mixed in the color properly, hopefully, and I'm going to apply it. So by the way, it's 9 in the morning and I just woke up, so if my face looks a little puffy, it's probably because of that. So I think I'm going to start with a side parting first, because generally this is how I wear my hair. I do it side parting. So this is how we do it. I do not even know how to color my hair, but I am just going to roll with it, I guess. So I hope my brush is coated enough, and let's try. Problem that I'm noticing is that the brush is not really very efficient in applying it. Like, look at this. What is this? But this is the only tool that we have, so we are gonna have to work with it anyway. So I'm going to try and smother my brush into the color and try it again. So I finished applying and this is what my hair looks like. It's almost like I've done nothing to my hair, but then again I also did not use up the whole product. I still have some of it left because I just wanted to see how it works before I, you know, just color my hair fully. But so far I am not impressed at all. It really does look like I have put nothing in my hair. The brush is a total waste. I do not like the brush. I wish it did not come with a brush in the first place, but I'm still going to let this sit for 45 minutes as they suggest, and then come back, wash my hair, and show you guys the end result. So now that you've seen the clip, definitely there are some things that I want to talk about. Let's first of all start off with the smell. It's got a really strong smell. If you're someone like me who is sensitive to smells, you will find that a big problem when using this product. Also, it is actually so strong that it burns your eyes. It burned my eyes. My eyes were a little watery when I was using this. And also, coming to the innovative part of this hair color, the brush, I personally thought this was useless. This did not work for me. In the packaging, like on the packaging, they've shown it to work really well like this, but it does not work like that. It could be because I did not use up the whole product. I used quite a little amount of the hair color, but then again later on I did pour in a lot more off camera, and I tried using this brush again and it simply did not work for me. I do not find the use of it. It's good if you want to brush your hair because it does kind of like comb your hair pretty nicely, but in terms of application and hair color application, I did not find this useful at all. So now the most important question, the whole point of this video, did it color my hair? And very evidently, as you can see, the answer is no. Although I will disagree partially, because when I see my hair in artificial light like this, it looks black, but when I see my hair in sunlight, I will insert pictures of it so you can see, my hair does look brown. Like, it's got a very subtle tint of brown in my hair, which is not really visible now, but when I move my hair slightly, it's still not visible because I'm under artificial light, but under sunlight my hair does look brown. So it kind of did color my hair, but also not definitely the way that they are advertising on their packaging, and you know, the whole before and after, as you can see, is pretty dramatic in this one. So definitely not the kind of results that they claim to have, but it does tint your hair. Gives a very subtle brownish tint. Also, it makes your hair really glossy and soft. That's one thing that I really liked about this hair color. But other than that, the main point, does it really color your hair and give you those trendy looking highlights? The answer is unfortunately no. So I think this is not worth your money or the hype, but it was a good experience trying it out nonetheless. That brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, do not forget to like it and leave some nice comments. Subscribe if you already haven't. Please subscribe if you already haven't. I post videos often, at least once a week, so if you wanna check those out, you can. Do not also forget to hit the bell button so you get notified every time I upload a video. And that's all the information that I have to give. I will see you guys next week. Till then, take care, and I love you all.